Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and I'm gonna show you how to activate voice control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category, and here let's pick the shooting method. Now at the second position we have voice commands option, so our voice control, when we turn it on we should take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords like in the short info, smile, cheese, capture, shoot, and record videos by saying record video. By using the button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. So for now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera and try to use it by saying, for example, capture. And as you can see nothing happens, so I guess I have to be pretty loud. Let's try again, capture. And now it works. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.